Man, the patina on this thing is just sweet. But I mean, look where this thing is at. It's in a tree line / fence line.
Over there, we just take it out.
This is a disclaimer, but I'm doing this because it's my car. But this is what I'll show you how to do, which is what it is. But what I did is got in here like this, bam, lift that up. Now all I gotta do is open this up, boom. And then if I get over here to unlock it, get ready to go open this thing up. This is a time capsule. 2-door hardtop Corvair. Now I get my hand in there and I can turn that crank. I don't know if I should though, because I don't want this window getting stuck on it. So remember guys, this is a time capsule. It hasn't been open in 4 years. This is going to be the first crack at it. So, get it on film. I'm yelling a little bit. Open it up a little bit. Get it down a little. Damn, arms are too big to get down in here. I don't want to break anything. Yeah, as far as I really want to go right there. Now I'm being careful for spiders and stuff too, because this thing is sitting so low. Well, since I got this open a little bit, let's see if I can just pull this over. Try to put a bin on this thing so I can grab it. Shoot, almost got it right there. That wasn't it. Oh! That was it. Now we're kind of stuck. I'm gonna break it. I don't have the keys for his car, and the trunk hasn't been opened in about 40 years. So we're gonna go ahead and try to drill this lock out. Try to stick a screwdriver in there and see if we can pop it open. Because there probably could be nothing in here, but could be some good stuff in here. Because these people I got the car from, and they kept everything, like they have stowed stuff away in all kinds of different areas. You know, they never threw nothing away. So it could be some good stuff in here. I'm gonna spray it down with some penetrating fluid. Then we're gonna hit it with the drill bit. Get up inside there and go ahead and hit it with that. And up underneath here, where the mechanism should be at somewhere, go ahead and liberally spray it down. We're gonna go ahead and hit it with this. real bit. See, make sure you get right on. After about 30 minutes of drilling and hitting it with the screwdriver, then I finally put my impact on her with the flat head bit, and it just released, so it gets you a better view. I'm gonna pop it open, make sure there ain't no snakes or anything like that in here. Wow. Look at the paint on this thing. 737 61. Not sure what that means, but spare tire. Pretty cool. Wow. Look at windshield wiper stuff. Still got fluid in there. Box full of stuff. Who knows what's in there. Second intake I found in this car. Pretty cool. Spare tire, like I said. Well, who knows what's in this. Like some vintage motor oil, from what I can see. Oh, we'll see what's in the box. Whoa. Man. Look at that. Uniflow, Exxon, motor oil, 20W40, super premium. Guess it's been, still got oil in it. That was badass. Looks like there's a rat nest in here. That's a whole case. Looks like some had been dripping out over the last 40 years. Wow. Not any money or stuff like that in here, but that's pretty cool fun. Oh, that one's empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. That one's got some. Just they're in paper. Well, that's my finds of the day. Intake and 15 quarts of old motor oil.